Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Leia again, back with another math video. So this is the last math video of camp. So I hope you guys have either used these for review or have learned something from them, and I hope that the worksheets have all gone well and that you guys had a lot of fun in your other classes and so on. And that you enjoy the rest of your summer. So today we're going to be talking about volume. And to talk about volume, we have to learn a little bit about 3D shapes. "3D" just means three-dimensional, so when you look at a square, that's 2D, two-dimensional. And a cube is a square's 3D version. Similarly, a rectangle is 2D, whereas a box or a cuboid is a 3D shape. Or a triangle is 2D. I don't know how I'm gonna draw this because I'm not a very good artist, but I can try. This is a prism. This is the 3D version of a triangle. All right, so these are the three we're going to talk about today. So first, let's start with that of a triangle. So again, we said that the prism is the 3D version of the triangle. So to find the volume basically is the area of the 3D shape, but there's more you have to multiply because, again, it has more dimensions. So for the volume of a prism, you will have to use the equation area times height. So I wish I could draw a better picture of a prism, but imagine this. In this case, the area of the base is what you're trying to multiply this by. So let's say this side is 5 and this side is also 5, because in a prism the base is always a square, so all the sides are equal. So the area of the base would be 25. And then the height just refers to the height of the base. So if we dropped a perpendicular line to the square from the top like this, imagine that this is the base of the prism and my pen is the height. It's just like that, it's coming out at you. The height will be, I don't know, say 10. Then my volume will be 25 times 10, which is 250. And whatever units, let's say the units were centimeters. Then I would have centimeters squared for the area of the base times centimeters for the height, so it would be centimeters cubed, because it's centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. Awesome. Next we have a square. So how do we find the volume of a square? Oh wait, sorry. Not the volume of a square, the volume of its 3D version, which is actually what we call a cube. So, which I think cubes are really fun to draw. But remember, if you're trying to find the area of a square, it's b squared, the base times the other base, because they're the same length. So the volume of a cube is actually just b cubed. Because if you think about it, this side is equal to 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 this side, and this side. They're all equal sides. And think about it as multiplying the length of the cube times the height of the cube times the width of the cube. So let me give you an example. Let's say one side is let's say one side is 3 meters. let's find the volume. Well, volume is b cubed, so we know that b is 3 meters. Well, we have to cube 3. That's basically just saying 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. But remember, we're not just cubing the 3, we're also cubing the meters. So this becomes meters cubed. Awesome. That's all we have to do for the square. And actually, this is really similar to the rectangle. Because, sorry, for the 3D version of a rectangle, which is a box. Because if you think about it, you're also just multiplying the length times the width times the height. So let's say the length was 2 meters, the width was 5 meters, and the height was 10 meters. Well, we just have to multiply 2 meters by 5 meters by 10 meters. So we get 2 times 5 is 10, times 10 is 100. But don't forget to multiply the meters, which gets us 1 meter times 1 meter is meter cubed squared, times another meter is meters cubed. That's our final answer. So that was a really short video. I just want you guys to enjoy the last few days of camp, not to work too hard, just enjoy the camp as a whole, and I hope you guys have a really good summer. I didn't cover the 3D version of a circle, and if you are interested, that's actually called a cylinder. That's what a cylinder looks like. It's like a can of soda or a toilet paper roll, you know what I'm saying? And you'll learn that later on in school, but I just think it's a little too much for this video to talk about. So yeah, that's all. I hope you guys have a great rest of your summer and that you enjoy yourselves. Bye.